All right, today is the 8th of July, 2026. And this was the pre-market over here. We had a big drop overnight. And I got up in around this area. And I was trading one of my other accounts and just got in a little bit right here when what I was looking for was the break up. And this crossover here, the DMI, the MACD, this is the RSI crossing the 50 line. And there wasn't pre-market. There's not always a lot of cumulative delta volume or volume delta, whatever you want to call it. I made a little bit in here, but I was being very conservative. But this was my target area because it was the imbalance or fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. And then I said, well, let me just wait till the opening. And so I did here. Got stopped out because I took a long above the 15-minute orb. Got stopped out. So I just figured, okay, if it breaks below the low, I would get in on the short side, which I did. But I didn't stay too long because we hadn't crossed over yet. What I like to see is this crossover. I want the red above the blue if I'm going to be short, and this below the 50 RSI, and then this was going down. And I got a little bit out of here, but like I said, I was waiting for a pullback, which it did. And I got short below this low because I figured when it would break, all this was going to happen right here, which it did. It started showing to the downside, but I was playing too tight. So this was that first one I played short, and then I moved my stop up to just below break even. So I got stopped out with scratch, and then I got in again right here. I just drew that little line there. It's a little bear flag. Got short below this low right here, and then got out right before the bottom, and then I had another sell order below the bottom. So I got in and locked in that profit, and then we shorted one contract, got out long, covered my short right here. Everything was looking very bearish, still is, but I was shooting. Here's the target price right here. That's a fair value gap right in here from the overnight. Went right down into it and then headed up from there. So all the confluences are still showing us very bearish. I'm done for the day. It was just too much all over the place for me, and I made profits in both of them, and so I'm happy with that, and I'm going to trade tomorrow. So hope you had a good trading day, and I'll see you in the next video.